Hey,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Shivani. What is your name?
My name is Lajo, and what is your mother name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Tulsa. And what is your mother's name?
My mother name is Mrs. Nirmala. What is your father name?
My father's name is Mrs. Rambihari. Mr. Rambihari. And what is your father's name?
My father name is Mr. Pappu. Do you want to do conversation with me?
Yes.
So, ready?
Yes.
Mm, do you study?
Yes, I study. Do you read?
Yes, I read. Do you drink the water?
Yes, I drink the water. Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market. Do you finish the homework?
Yes, I finish the homework. Do you go to coaching?
Yes, I go to coaching. Do you learn English with Deepa ma'am?
Yes, I learn English with my Deepa ma'am. Do you do you pluck the flower?
Yes, I pluck the flower. Do you worship?
Yes, I worship. Do you sleep?
Yes, I sleep. Do you prepare dinner?
Yes, I prepare dinner. Do you attack enemy?
No, I. Did you finish the? Do you clean the room?
Yes, I clean the room. Do you finish the homework?
Yes, I finished the homework. Do you fill the water?
Yes, I fill the water. Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea. Do you prepare dinner?
Yes, I prepare dinner. Do you cook the food?
Yes, I cook the food. Do you eat the food?
Yes, I eat the food. Do you take dinner?
Yes, I take dinner. Do you take bath daily?
Yes, I take bath daily. Do you does she go to market?
Yes, she goes to market. Do you abuse other?
No, I don't abuse other. Do you mm, take lunch?
Yes, I take lunch. Do you advise other?
Yes, I advise other. Do you listen the music?
Yes, I listen the music. Do you singing a song? Sorry, do you sing a song?
Yes, I sing a song. Do you operate mobile?
Yes, I operate mobile. Does she does she go to market with you?
Yes, I yes go to market with me.
Yes, she goes.
जी मैम. Do you? Yes, she goes to market with me. Do you walk?
Yes, I walk. Do you does your brother ride bicycle?
Yes, my brother ride bicycle. Do you, rides bicycle. Do you prepare coffee?
Yes, I prepare coffee. Does your mother wash the clothes?
Yes, my mother washes the cloth. Mm, mm. Yes, my mother washes cloth. Mm, do you come to house?
Yes, I come to house. Do you swim?
Yes, I swim. Do you take bath?
Yes, I take bath. Do you get up in the morning at 6 a.m.?
Yes, I get up in the morning 6 a.m. Um, do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast. Do you walk with your friends?
Yes, I walk with my friend. Do you walk with you sister?
With your Yes, I walk with my sister. Do you study?
Yes, I study. Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English. Do you do you clean your teeth?
Yes, yes, clean my teeth. Do you wash the cloth?
Yes, I wash the cloth. Do you worship?
Yes, I worship. Do you pluck the flower?
Yes, I pluck the flower. Do you go to coaching?
Yes, I go to coaching. Do you rest?
Yes, I
Take rest.
yes, I take rest. Do you watch television?
Mm, no, I uh, don't television. I don't watch television. Do you finish the homework?
Yes, I finish the homework. Do you complete the domestic work?
Yes, I complete the domestic work. Do you Do you take dinner?
Yes, I take dinner. Do you buy vegetable?
Yes, I buy vegetable. Do you cut the mango?
Yes, I cut the mango. Do you pray to God?
Yes, I pray to God. Do you respect the teacher?
Yes, I respect teacher. Do you please your parents?
Yes, my please.
Yes, I.
Yes, I praise my parents. Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God. Do you mm, do you do you play cricket?
No, I did not. I don't play cricket.
Ma'am, is there-
Do you wash the cloth?
Yes, I wash the cloth. Do you wash the clothes your father?
No, no wash the clothes.
No, I did
Uh,
don't.
I don't wash the clothes. My father. My father clothes. Do you clean the hair?
Yes, I clean the hair. Do you clean your nail?
Yes, yes, clean my hair, nail. Yes, yes, I clean my nail. Do you switch on the fan?
Yes, I switch on the fan. Do you clap?
Yes, I clap. Do you study?
Yes, I study. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Do you eat the mango?
Yes, I eat the mango. Do you cut your hair?
No, I did not.
Don't.
No, I don't cut my hair. Do you pray to God?
Yes, I pray to God. Does she go to Agra?
Mm, no, she doesn't go to Agra. Do you learn the newspaper?
Yes, I read.
Read. Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read newspaper. Do you consult the doctor?
Yes, I consult the doctor.
पूछो तुमको।
Do you close the door?
Yes, I close the door. Do you open the window?
Yes, I open the window. Do you mm, clean room?
Yes, I clean my room. Do you eat the mango?
Yes, I eat the mango. Do you mm, cut vegetable?
Yes, I cut vegetable. Do you fill the water for taking bath?
Yes, I fill the water for taking bath. Do you boil the water?
Yes, I boil the water. Do you finish the domestic work?
Yes, I finish the domestic work. Do you mm, go to school?
Yes, I go to school. Do you go to Delhi? Delhi?
No, I don't go to Delhi. Delhi. Do you mm, cook the food?
Yes, I cook the food. Do you beat the dog?
No, I no, I no, I don't beat the dog. Do you beat the cow?
No, I don't beat the cow. Does she mm, does she invite friend for party?
Yes, yes. She invites a friend for party. Mm, do do you mm, do you carry the bag?
Yes, I carry the bag. Does she jump the traffic light?
Yes, she jumps the traffic rule.
Light.
Light. Yes,